content. But what exactly does that mean? Great content is not just about high production value. It's about storytelling, creativity, and authenticity. Your videos need to grab attention right from the start. The first few seconds are crucial. Use compelling thumbnails and titles to draw viewers in. They should keep viewers interested throughout. What makes content engaging? Think about your audience. What are their interests, needs, and pain points? What do they want to see? Conduct surveys, read comments, and engage with your community to understand their preferences. Focus on topics you're passionate about. Your genuine interest and enthusiasm will resonate with viewers and keep them coming back for more. Your enthusiasm will shine through. When you love what you do, it shows, and your audience will feel that energy. Make your videos visually appealing. Good visuals can make a huge difference. Invest in a decent camera and learn basic filming techniques. Use good lighting and clear audio. Edit your videos well. Post-production is where your content can truly shine. A polished video looks professional and keeps viewers hooked. Remember, quality content is the heart of your YouTube channel. Keep creating, keep improving, and watch your audience grow. YouTube SEO is crucial. It helps your videos rank higher in search results. Start with keyword research. What are people searching for on YouTube? Use tools like Google Trends and TubeBuddy. Incorporate these keywords naturally in your video title, description, and tags. Optimize your video description. Write a compelling summary of your video. Include relevant keywords. Add timestamps to help viewers navigate your video. Thumbnails and titles are your first impression. Make them count. Your thumbnail should be eye-catching and relevant to your video. Use bright colors, bold text, and an intriguing image. Your title should be concise, attention-grabbing, and keyword-rich. Think of your title as a headline. It needs to make people want to click. A/B test different thumbnails and titles. See which ones perform better. Section 4. Consistency is key. Keep your audience engaged. This is crucial for building a loyal following on YouTube. Consistency is key for YouTube growth. Upload videos regularly. This could be weekly, bi-weekly, or even daily. The more consistent you are, the more your audience will look forward to your content. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a week, make sure your audience knows when to expect new content. Stick to a schedule so your audience knows what to expect. Promote your upcoming videos. Use teasers and announcements to build anticipation. Use your other social media platforms. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments. Ask for video suggestions. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also makes them feel valued and heard. Building a community around your channel leads to more views and engagement. Host live Quanda sessions, create polls, and encourage discussions. The more you interact with your audience, the more connected they will feel to your channel. Section 5. Promote your videos. Reach a wider audience. In today's digital age, it's not enough to just create great content. You need to make sure it gets seen by as many people as possible. Don't be afraid to promote your videos. Share them on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Each platform has its own unique audience, and by sharing your content across multiple channels, you increase the chances of reaching a wider audience. Share them on social media. Engage with your followers by asking them to share your videos with their friends and family. The more your content is shared, the more visibility it gains. Embed them on your website or blog. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Cross-promote each other's channels. Consider running YouTube ads. Collaborations can introduce your channel to a whole new audience, while ads can target specific demographics. Target your ads to reach your ideal audience. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions, run contests and giveaways. These interactions can help build a loyal community around your channel. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to watch your videos and share them with others. Building a strong relationship with your viewers can turn them into advocates for your channel, helping you grow even further.